Very good morning traders. Once again welcome to MST School of Trading. Today in the market, when the market has just opened around 9:25, we have given our charting screener and there were many stocks were listed like Adani Wilmar, Indian Oil Corporation, NHPC, HDFC, Ambuja, NBCC, Bharat Petroleum, Paytm and Network 18 Media. So out of which I just shortlisted based on the highest volume. So the highest volume was having for Adani Wilmar Limited. So I chose this Adani Wilmar. So whenever we got the screener, immediately we will be taking the buy entry irrespective of the price. But if you want, you can wait and take when the market is coming down near to our bullish line. What is a bullish line? 383. So exactly after the market has opened, it has come down and it has touched our bull zone. Then it has reversed back. And from 383 to 397.80 around 14 plus points we have got the profit. But we release this chart only at 385 above. So whenever it is coming to 385 above, we have to buy the share. So even if you are taking some 100 shares and booking 10 points, it is becoming 1000 rupees. If you are taking 1000 share and waiting for 10 points, it is going to be your 10,000 rupees profit. Okay. And after that, we had given Bank Nifty. See here at 9:53. What's the time? 9:53. We have gained Bank Nifty by 47,300 CE near 260. After we entered, the market has come down to 245 something. 245. Then it has reached to 275. Just in few seconds at 10:03 what happened? See here 3rd January 2024 10 o'clock 3rd minute at 3 minutes candle, the high made was 337. The high made was 337 and the low made was 216. In single candle, it has made a very good volatile movement and whoever has kept the target would have achieved. Okay. So I set minimum 20 points, 20 you can book. So exactly we have got the profit, very high profit from 260 to 337. So almost 70 plus points. Yeah, 70 plus points you have got the profit in Bank Nifty today. You may ask me, how did he give that Bank Nifty call? Why did he choose that 47,300 call option? I tell you the reason. Today I found the market was not moving properly. See here in the morning I have got the sell entry as per iTrend 2.0. So I was having MST iCore 2.0 and see here perfectly it has come down near to our buy zone here, right? So the entry price was 47,475. I took the bottom level, the second level as the strike price 47,300. Though the market is overall in a sell trend, now there may be some possibility to retracement. Okay, I just used that retracement. From here to here I have booked the profit. See this is the 10 o'clock 4-minute candle. It has made very good high. Hope this is clear. We entered at 9:53 somewhere here. After we entered the next candle itself, it has come down. So that's why we got it at around 245, but we entered at 260. What I did, I took some 75 shares, 75 quantity at 260 and another 75 quantity at 250. Okay. Then when the market has come up around 300, I just exited from the market and it has gone to 337. Hope the concept is very clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us on the given number. If you are watching our video without subscribing to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, watch our videos, like the videos. If you have any comments, please share with us. We will be happy to address your comments. And what about this MST iTrend 2.0? See, since the market morning open, it has opened in the sell side only. It is not in the buy side. We should be in a sell side unless this high is broken. When the market is going to 47,884, we will be in buying. Unless it is not broken, we will not be going for the buy entry as per the trending. But as per the iCore 2.0, where the people are selling, there we buy. Where the people are buying, there we sell. So that is our concept. Okay. So now as per this buy activated, we got the targets already achieved. Buy activated, target achieved. So what you are supposed to do when the buy is activated, we reduce the stop loss to tiny 2, reduce the target to tiny 2. If buy activated, cancel the sell, enable the buy. This MGR you can make it as bottom MGR. So now you see 2 targets perfectly hit. From here to here perfectly 2 targets hit. That happened just in matter of seconds. Just there was a jump from here to here. See, even if you are keeping 30 seconds also, the values are not getting changed. The values is not getting changed. 15 minutes same, 1 minute same, whatever it is same. You don't have to worry. Our indicator is not a repainting indicator. Hope the point is very clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us. We will be happy to help you. Thank you all. Bye-bye.